Are you tired of manually writing repetitive responses to customer inquiries or generating basic reports? Well, you're in luck because the AI landscape has changed dramatically in 2026, and we're going to dive into the top three contenders for your business: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. These three AI models have taken the world by storm with their cutting-edge capabilities. But which one should you use in 2026? Let's start with ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. One of its standout features is its ability to converse in a human-like manner, making it perfect for customer service and support. Imagine having a virtual receptionist that can handle simple inquiries and even escalate complex issues to human agents. ChatGPT's knowledge graph is vast, covering a wide range of topics from science and history to entertainment and culture. To get started with ChatGPT, head over to the OpenAI website and sign up for a free account. Once you've created